Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I recently discovered a shopping app called Temu, and so many people have been asking me about this that I decided to go ahead and do a video on it. So in the video today, I am going to share my experience with the app, a little bit on how to use and navigate the app, as well as open up my most recent haul and share what I think about these items. Of course, I also have a special discount for you guys that I will be sharing as well. I learned about this app maybe a month ago. I heard a lot of people talking about it. Many of you were emailing me, asking me about it as well. But I like to take my time and learn about something before just jumping into it. So I decided to go ahead and be the guinea pig. I placed an order to test it out. That way I could share my experience with you guys. And then I placed a second order, and that's the one you see here, and that's the one we're gonna be looking at today. First things first, if you don't have the app, grab it with my link down below. Look in the pinned comments. You will see a promo code, and that promo code will give you 30% off your very first order. And this is a shopping app. So when you open the app, you're going to see something that looks like this. Of course, the app is completely free. It's no different than shopping like on a regular website. But as I opened the app and started looking around, there were a few things that I noticed right off the bat. First, they offer tons of different products in a number of different categories. Clothing, home and kitchen, organization, automotive, tools, toys. I mean, basically, you name it, they've got it on that site. And they also have lightning deals that change each day, and those are my personal favorite, and I'll tell you more about those here in just a moment. Second, they offer free shipping for new users and free returns up to 90 days. So already, like I was thinking, this is incredibly low risk. If I don't like it, I can just return it. And I have gone through their returns process, so I can tell you more about that as well. Third, yes, it is a legit site. Like I said, at this point, I have placed 2 different orders and been through the returns process, and I've had 0 issues. Their customer service has been amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening up this enormous package. But as far as payment goes, I know a few people have asked about that. They accept all major credit cards, debit cards, Google Pay. They even accept programs like Afterpay and Klarna, so lots of options there as well. Now for the fun part, I promise I'm opening it. So what I want to do is I want to show you the items, but then I also want to actually try the items out so you can know about the quality as well. So what I'll do is I'll open it here for you, but then I'm going to I'll pause the video, I'll try out the items, and then I'll come back and actually tell you what I thought of the items. This one is a heated vest. One of the items I was most excited about because my girlfriend has one and she let me wear it once when it was super cold outside, and I kind of fell in love with it. But hers was like $300. So this one, quite a bit less expensive. I'll pop up the price on the screen for you, but I'm also gonna link all of these items down below in the video description box so you can check out the items that I got exactly, as well as shop any items you want. But from what I read, basically you plug this sucker in and charge it. And then you hit this little button here to warm yourself up. So I cannot wait to try it. I got a small, normally I would order an extra small, but since it's one of those outer layers, I thought I should get a little bit bigger because I'm assuming I'll be wearing something big and bulky underneath. So again, I'm gonna try this out a little bit later today, and I'll come back and give you my feedback on it. Ooh, so these next 2 I actually ordered for my son. If you've followed me for a while, you know we love game nights. So I picked up Uno Flip, which we played at Christmas time, as well as Phase 10. I've heard of this game, but I've never played it. So let me know down in the comments if you've played this before and what you think. But again, regular items, just like you could pick up anywhere else, but the prices on this site are ridiculously awesome. So hopefully he will not watch this video before I give this to him in, I don't know, maybe his birthday gift. I tried to order stuff across different categories as well. That way I could show you guys all sorts of different stuff, but I was very tempted to do clothes because I saw so many cute clothing items. And this one, it says Adventure t-shirt. It looks like it might be a little big, but a lot of times when that happens, I just tie the shirts up. So I believe I ordered a small in this one, which is the smallest that they offered, but cute shirt. And again, I've been looking for a shirt just like this and have not purchased it because all of the shirts I could find were over 20 bucks, and I'm just not gonna pay $20 for a t-shirt. Y'all know me better than that. What else do we got? I kind of love the fact, and this might be weird, but as a frugal person, and I know frugal people follow me, you're probably thinking this as well. Look at these bags. What can we use these bags for? Again, drop in the comments what you think we can use these bags, repurpose these bags for. I was honestly thinking about sticking some of my shoes in the bags. That way it keeps dust off of my shoes, or packaging up my winter sweaters. And look how cute. This is one of the ones I was most excited about. And I'm in Texas, so I actually love that this is a light sweater. So I'll have to wear like a cami underneath it. Again, this is a size small, super cute, and y'all know I love green. So excited to try that one on. I told you I would mention the lightning deal. So every day when I pop onto the app, I see what's called lightning deals, which is like huge sales on specific items. So definitely check out those deals while you're on the app. Okay, what do I have next? A couple of kitchen items. So an ice cream scoop and like a smaller ice cream scoop. I use this, I could use this for like balling melons or something. Or cookie dough. I use scoops like this for lots of different cooking recipes, not just ice cream or cookies. So these, I needed some just like plain black flats, and these looked super cute. I kind of think the pattern looks a little bit like a heart on it, so I thought these would be fun. This is another shirt I was excited about. I love doing outdoorsy stuff, and this one says Happy Camper. And it's one of those like long tunic type shirts that you can wear over leggings, and it will cover your butt. So I liked that part of this. Oh, I think this, so y'all know the new like charcuterie craze. Everyone's doing all these different boards and butter boards and dessert boards. And I saw a meme once that said charcuterie is just a fancy word for I want a sandwich but I don't have bread, which I thought was really funny. So I got a board. They had tons of different sizes. I just grabbed a small one because I thought I could do some super cute stuff on there. Oh, this is the other shoes. And these, I've been wearing the same black heels forever, and the end came off. So it's sounds awful when I'm walking on the floor because it's basically just a nail that's sticking out of the shoe. So one shoe sounds normal and the other like clicks and make this horrible sound. So I snagged these black, and they're what is the word? Suede. Black suede heels. So I'm excited to try those on. This one was really fun. Okay, so this is like a tea set, and I thought it was super cute. Let me open it up here. And it's glass, so again, it gives me a chance to show you guys, hey, I ordered glass stuff, and it came all in one piece. So I have never used a teapot quite like this before. So again, if you have, let me know what you think, what your experience is. And this, again, more wood products. And they had so many. This is just a little cup, and it is a little cup. But I thought it was super pretty. Oh, no, I lied. There was one more thing. Hang on. It just got, I set it down on the ground. So this is like a tiered lunch box. As you can see, it has like a clear top with silverware, and then it has multiple compartments. I don't have scissors, so again, I'm going to try it out here in just a little bit, and I'm going to pop right back on the video and tell you what I thought of these items. I am back, and I'm going to share what I think of all of the items that I got. Blanket statement, honestly, I love everything I got. I am really happy with the quality. I did notice when I was putting the bag away, I forgot these were so tiny that I didn't even see them in there. But I want to tell you about these little spoons. How cute are these spoons? I love them and I want to keep them. $1.99. But the reason I got them is I thought these would be so cute to add into a little gift. Like if you did a coffee mug with maybe a hot chocolate and then this little spoon. How cute is that? And I wish I had ordered more because I really do love these. Okay, so let me tell you about the sweater. And I'm going to try to overlay a video of me like modeling it for you guys. Love this sweater. It was $13.49. No, $14.99 for this one. And I love it. I could wear it with jeans, but I could also do it with shorts because of the length of it. So definitely recommend this sweater. They had it in a number of different sizes and colors. The t-shirt wasn't as big as I thought it was going to be, but I did end up tying it, and this was like just over $8. So again, great price on the t-shirt. The Happy Camper, I tried it on in the video that I'll post up here with jeans, but again, I would wear it with leggings because I like how long it is. And this one was available in multiple different colors and sizes as well. I'm looking for the words Happy Camper. It was $13.49 was the price on these. Now let's talk about this vest. Now, I told y'all I ordered a small instead of an extra small. An extra small was available. I do wish I had gotten the extra small because it's just a little bit bigger than what I would prefer. And I think I would feel the heating piece of it better if it fit just a little bit tighter. But one, this sucker is super warm without the heating element turned on. But the heating element works great. You do have to purchase a power bank separately because it does need to be plugged in to that power bank for it to work. And I'm going to pop a little video of me in it. It's multiple heat levels. There were 3 different levels that you could go through. I do wish I had gotten an extra small, so I'm going to message them about being able to exchange it. I just haven't done that yet. Anything else I wanted to tell you on that? Oh, when you stick I knew there was something else. So when you stick your hands in the pockets, you can feel that heating element really, really well. So I like that it made my hands feel nice and warm. Now, I got this bad boy open, this little lunchbox. How cute is this? So it opens up, it has utensils, but then it has all of these compartments and this little divider that lets you divide up your snacks if you have a kid like mine who they don't like their food touching. It's amazing. So another compartment that closes here. Great for an on-the-go lunch. The other ones that I wanted to tell you about, these shoes. So the high heels, I ordered a size 8 and they fit perfectly. I always hate ordering shoes online because I'm always between like a 7.5 or an 8. And you just never know how they're going to fit. The 8 for me fit perfectly on the high heels. Now, ordered the exact same size in the little Hurt shoes. And the 8 was too big. So much so that I would probably exchange it down to a size 7. I feel like it was a full size too big. So I need to message them about being able to exchange it out for one complete size smaller than what I ordered. And the other stuff I feel like is pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, I haven't played the games yet, but you pretty much know what you're getting there. So, do I like the app? Yes, it is better than I thought it was going to be as far as the quality of the products. The prices are outstanding, especially if you take advantage of those lightning deals. I believe the minimum order was $10. So if you want to go on and just buy something that's $1.99, you want to wait because you want to make sure it's worth it for them to ship it to you for free, right? So you need to have at least $10 to get that free shipping. If y'all have questions, let me know down in the comment section below. If I can help you, I will. If it's something more technical, just reach out to them directly because they have great customer service. Don't forget to grab the app with my link below, as well as use that discount code pinned in the comments, 30% off your first order.